Evaluate 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 cos square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees divided by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees. 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 cos square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees divided by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees is equal to 5 into cos square 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into cos square 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square minus tan square 45 degrees is equal to 1 whole square divided by sin square 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 5 into 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4 plus 4 into root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 divided by 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 5 into 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 plus 4 into 3 by 4 is equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 divided by 2 divided by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 4 2s are 8 by 4 into 4 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 4 cancel divided by 2 is equal to 13 by 2 is equal to 6.5.